Hello everyone, my name is Isaki Raja and I would like to share my experience about this Digital Marketing Bootcamp by Digital Vidya. First of all, I would like to say that this course was very useful for me because I'm a person who wants to shift my career from some other field to this digital marketing field. In that instance, I really like the way the course was structured because this course took me from its basics to its advanced level, and each sessions in this course were handled by different tutors, and those tutors were very expert in their field. And coming to the meta advertising sessions, those sessions were handled in a very practical manner, and those practical sessions are very transparent to the work method we use in our real life as a digital marketer. So that helped me to build my technical skills better and better. Digital Vidya not only concentrates on the hard skills of a person, it also concentrates on the soft skills of a person, and those soft skills are very useful for us in our professional as well as our personal life too. So this course is a package of making you a professional digital marketer. Thank you.